Hi guys, I'm Hans and welcome to my channel. Nakatingin ako dito dahil ang aking iPad ay naka-ready na. Wala naman ako script, but then again, I'll be using it later. So for today, what we'll be doing is an unboxing of my GG or Gucci baseball cap. Just to give you a brief background, so I went to South Korea last December, December 2017, and I decided to buy the Gucci baseball cap there. Kasi, first, the one in Shangri-La, in the Gucci boutique in Shangri-La in Greenbelt, does not have that baseball cap. And gustong gusto ko na siya kasi lately I've been sporting caps. Una, dahil ang pangit ng buhok ko, isa ako sa mga pinakamalas na tao sa mundo dahil nagkaroon ako ng ganitong buhok na mahirap ayusin or ayusan. So, I decided to wear caps na lang para hindi na ako kailangan mag-ayos or maglagay pa ng kahit na anong hair treatment or whatever para lang umayos siya kasi it's really frizzy and ano talaga and wavy. Okay? So, when I went to South Korea, yun na talaga unang-una kong gustong bilhin. Sabi ko doon sa friends ko, kasi I was with my friends, si Jeff at saka si Francis. Sabi ko, yun ang una kong bibilin. Talagang gusto kong bumili nun. And I wanted to, or let's just say, gusto ko magkaroon ng support nila. Kasi we have to go to a Gucci boutique and we have to find it. Pero medyo confident naman ako during that time because, South Korea is a first world country, unlike the Philippines. So, naglipa na yung mga Gucci boutiques doon. Pero, um, yeah, so we tried to find it. Pero, actually, when we stayed in Myeongdong area in South Korea, and may mga Gucci boutiques doon. Pero the first one that we went to is the a women's boutique ng Gucci. So sabi ko, is it available? Kasi sabi ko naman, ang sa isip-isip ko, it is unisex or it is similar naman siya kasi under siya ng accessories. So, nung sinabi na available, okay. So, kukunin ko na. But then again, sinabi nung SA, this is only for female. There's no larger size because sabi ko, parang masikip. Pero, hindi ko pa na-adjust yung cap. But then again, sabi niya, no, it's just for women. Sabi ko, okay, fine. So sabi ko, saan ako makakabili? So, search yung SA sa website or sa system nila and she said that the next available cap is located in Gangnam area. So just do a research, yung layo ng Myeongdong sa Gangnam, medyo malayo siya. So on that very same day, I had to drag my friends from Seoul, from Myeongdong area to Gangnam, just to buy that one. So nag-Gangnam style kami papunta doon. Joke. Okay, so yeah, so I was able to find it. And apparently, nagkamali pa ng SA doon sa Myeongdong. Unisex talaga siya. So, hindi lang ako, kinabahan lang ako or hindi lang ako confident nung time na yon. Kaya hindi ko pinaglaban. So, pumunta pa kami, nagpagod pa kami, pupuntang Gangnam para lang makabili. And apparently, same lang pala na product and unisex siya. No? So, yeah. So, ito yun. And, I'm not sure if it is the same sa lahat or sa iba na nakabox siya. Kasi I received this one in a dust bag lang. And nandito lang siya sa paper bag nila. Okay? So, let's open this one na. Okay? Or before that, let's check the website. Actually, ito siya. I'll just give you the specifics. No? So, the original name or the official name is Original GG Canvas Baseball Hat with Web. Okay? So, ito yun. And product details. Well, classic baseball cap shape in original GG canvas with web detail. The web was first developed by Gucci in the 50s and instantly became the hallmark of a cultured club. So, ang color niya, it's available in, I think, 4. I don't know, 3. 3 colors. So, the first one is yung beige, yung kinuha ko. The second one is in black. And the last one is in, ano to? GG Canvas. Yun ang nakalagay. So, yun yun. Okay? So, there. So, let's unbox na ang paper bag. I-unbox natin ang paper bag. Okay. So, when you open this one, so it is inside a dust bag. So, ang ganda ng dust bag niya. Parang siyang silk. Okay. So, when you open this one, ito na ang cap. Okay. So, meron siyang stuffing na kasama to hold its shape. But then again, diba? And, yan. Meron siyang tag. Yan, baseball. Uomo or whatever. Sa kanila na lang yan. And, okay. So, maganda siya kasi yung sa likod, it's leather and meron siyang gold hardware. Okay. Right. So, inside, what's inside? Babasahin ko na lang. So, Gucci made in Italy, Fabrica in Italy, whatever. So, I think it's in French. Okay. So, fabric in Italy. So, it is made in Italy. Ayan. Inano ko lang. Okay. So, meron din siyang branding here. And actually, if you're going to look at yung sa zip, I'm not sure kung anong tawag dito, but meron siyang serial number. Okay. Hope you can see it. Ayan ang serial number niya. Okay. So, there. Ayan. Actually, I plan to wear this one. Ganito lang, kasi ganito ako magsuot, no? Ayan, bagay ba? Okay. Pero, it's also good if you're going to wear it backwards. Lalagay ko na muna sa loob. Yeah. Well, actually, mas maganda siya. Okay. And actually, if you're going to wear this one, better if you wear this with plain shirt, preferably black para mag-stand out talaga siya, or if ever na hindi mo gustong mag-in your face, then wag na lang, okay? So you can wear it whatever you want, pero I would suggest for the guys out there who wants to buy this one, for this color, particular color, the beige one, better siya if you're going to wear it with green maybe, or red, or black, no? Preferably plain t-shirts, no? Kasi pag printed, masyadong maraming nakalagay, baka hindi siya mag-stand out and baduy tignan. Okay? So yun. So there. What's inside? Meron din siyang kasama sa box. Meron din siyang kasamang care package. Okay? So yun. And ito yung receipt niya. I forgot how much to, pero wait lang. Okay. So this is in won, so you can convert it into peso or to dollars. So the price is 380,000 won. But if I'm not mistaken, I think tax-free siya. So I was able to refund 24,500. So if you're going to subtract from 380,000, so yun na lang yung presyo niya. Okay? So there. Yeah. Okay? So kasi in the Philippines actually, when I checked the Gucci boutique in Greenbelt and in Shangri-La, wala silang available na Gucci cap. So, but I asked also how much was it. I think that was around 16,000 pesos. So, yon. So, I'm not sure if available na siya by this time. I hope, sana naman, no? Available na siya. But, sana same pa rin yung price. Kasi I bought this one last year. And it's 2018 now. So, yon. So, not sure kung same pa rin siya ng presyo. Okay. I bought this one particularly in Gucci Men Galleria in Apgujeong-ro, Gangnam, Korea. Okay? So there. So ito yung receipts. Right? So yun. So yun ang ating simple unboxing. Actually, I'm not sure if it can be an investment. Actually, it can be an investment for guys out there who likes caps. Kasi actually it's good for any outfit provided it's plain actually. Kasi well, if you can afford luxury and if you like Gucci or Italian made products, then this is one that is you know um what do you call this? This is acceptable, or this is a must for you guys. Okay, pero ako talaga gusto ko siya because of the style and well, bagay naman sa akin, no? So yun. Okay? So for those of you who are wondering, may mga boxes pa dito. Well, we had a mini haul in Louis Vuitton in Japan. Kasi with last week lang, I was in Japan with my mom, and we bought 2 bags and an accessory. So stay tuned na lang sa next video ko. I'm not sure kung kailan, pero since hindi naman ako what do you call this? Hindi naman ako nagpo-post regularly, so just wait for it na lang. Right? So I hope you enjoyed this mini unboxing or this simple unboxing, and I hope to see you soon. Okay. Bye bye.